Today I want to show you how to connect Stream Deck to Waves Superrack. So basically you need to download a software program called LoopMIDI by Tobias Eriksson. Click on the software, and click on LoopMIDI. And when you install the program, you'll see it here as an icon. So you right click that, click on Configure LoopMIDI. Here I've created a Stream Deck channel. You can, if this is the first time you've done it, you give it a name. And click on the plus to add the MIDI channel. You can then, I'm not going to use that, so I'm going to remove that channel. I'm going to stick with this one. Now, in Superrack, where the controllers section is, you click on one of the plus signs and you click on MIDI controller. Then it looks like this. Then you click on the settings button and I select Stream Deck here. Follow program changes on channel 1. And that's it. So let's close that. And on the settings, I create 4 hot snapshot recalls for this example. And on the show, basically, I have these 3 scenes for every service. So before and after music, talking, and key of A, for example. So on my Stream Deck, it looks something like this. Before and after music, talking. So basically I have a MIDI. You have all these columns here. For MIDI, I've got this. If you don't have this here in Stream Deck, click on the Elgato Marketplace and then search for MIDI. And you'll see it here. Click on that, click Get, install it, and then you'll be able to just grab program change and drag it where you want it. Now with the program change, I want channel 1 push. So when I push the button, it just pushes it once. On the program, I have 0 for before and after, 1 for music, 2 for talking, and 3 for key of A. That's where these are here. That's how you set them up. So now I want to basically just activate it from my Stream Deck here. When I push these 3 buttons, before and after, music and talking, it changes the scenes. And then I have this one set up to show you how to do it, to do the key of A. And you need to select the program. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 3. And the MIDI output I'm not using anyway, but I'm just going to call it Stream Deck. And now, when I go before and after, music, talking, and key of A. Now, of course, I have them laid out like this on my Stream Deck. And with the touch of a button, I can change key or change scenes, which kind of is changing scenes anyway. I mean, obviously, it doesn't have to be a hot scene. Obviously, I can just put a new one, call it key of B, and then I'm just going to give it channel 4. And then on my Stream Deck, I'm just going to make key of B. Oh, it is 4. That's great. That worked out well. Before and after, key of B. Excellent. So that's not even using a hot scene. That's just a normal scene. So it doesn't have, you don't have to do all the extra hot scene sort of setups. It's very easy to set up and use. Now, basically, if I wanted to have a pitch shifting waves real tune here and set it up to be key of A major, then basically I just need to make in the scene, in this case rack 6 plugin 1 on that show. So I want to take all these off and go rack 6, plugin 1 and hit store. So major, A major, show, store. So now I've got before and after, music, talking, and key of B, which of course I would have to then set as B, and then click store. So there you have it, before and after, music, talking, key of B. So that's how you set up and control Superrack with Waves Stream Deck. Go for Craig.